Be ready. Start. The IBC process involves appointing a resolution professional, and it is only if the CIPR is unsuccessful that the question whether the entity should be declared insolvent arises. Stop. In the cases of opposite party numbers 5, 6, and 7, the CIPR was successful, and this is not even disputed by the petitioner. Stop. The altered reality makes the very basis of filing of the present petition non-existent. Stop. Each of the three entities, that is opposite party numbers 5, 6, and 7, are back to functioning as fully solvent companies with all the creditors' dues being satisfied. Stop. The apprehension, therefore, that their alleged bankruptcy rendered them ineligible and incapable of operating the mining lease if granted in their favor is not factually or legally tenable. Stop. Mr. Shankar Narayan, however, submitted that the question that still arises is whether the past illegalities should be condoned. Question mark. The court is unable to accept the submission for the simple reason that each of the three entities have met all the eligibility conditions. Stop. Initiation of any proceeding against them under the IBC was not specified as a condition of ineligibility. Stop. The three entities fully met the requirement of net worth, which is a well understood expression in the world of finance. Stop. Merely because an entity might have unpaid loans owing to financial institutions would not mean that it has lost its net worth. Stop. In fact, the very process of initiating the CIPR under the IBC is to see how a company which otherwise has a high net worth can be restored to its full operational potential through restructuring. Stop. Notwithstanding that it might have defaulted on the loans borrowed from financial institutions. Stop. The petitioner appears to have been under a misconception that merely because a proceeding under the IBC was initiated against three entities around the time within they were issued with LOI, that by itself rendered them ineligible for issuance of the LOI. Stop. It must be noted here that there are two more stages to be crosses the entire process, which includes the actual grant of the mining lease in favor of the entities. Stop. As a result of the entities order passed by this court, those stages could not be completed. Stop. In fact, on account of the mining leases have not been and the iron ore not being extracted, the state of Odisha has a valuable revenue which it could have earned from loyalties stop. Consequently, the continuance of the present writ petition does not in any manner advance public interest stop.